the second calculation right. It was the in this first half. They've managed to win it here. MG. There you have it. Ratu Navula. This game up, Ratu Navula. Ball is available for the Nandi team. The try line is just a meter out. Close to the line, Ratu Navula now. 5 meters out. Here's the new boy, Bariri. They hold him up. Oh, the ball has come out for MGM. That was Emosi Taumania, the prop. Bautolu looks for it. This time it's Nemani Vuniwaqa. They come back towards the short side. They're slowing things down here. MGM. Vuniwaqa this time. Gets into the action as well. The lock comes in. He's short. Another held up ball over the line. Nemani Vuniwaqa was held up.